train will be moved, but we aim to return to our advertised timetable by 1300 today. We are in the process of sourcing rail replacement buses to get you moving again. For more information, speak to staff, visit eastmidlandsrailway.co.uk or follow us on X or on Twitter at East Mid Railway. We are sorry for the disruption to your journey today.
Plymouth via Birmingham New Street, Collier to Tamworth, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St Davids, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. This train is full of 4 will be the 1246 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe, Coventry and Hatton, Uttoxeter, Lythe Longton, Stoke-on-Trent, Kidsgrove, Alsager and Crewe. This train is formed of 3 coaches, the front 2 coaches. Platform 1 of the 1245 cross-country service to Edinburgh via Leeds, calling at Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 9 coaches. First class accommodation is available on the train. Please note, the lifts at Sheffield are currently at November 7th between 4:30.
Entitled to claim delay repaid compensation. Visit eastmidlandsrailway.co.uk/delay for more information.
If you need assistance or have passenger assistance booked, please make your way to
trolley service of drinks and light refreshments is available on this train. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
Newcastle, Derby and Crewe, the other direction, will terminate at Uttoxeter. Engineers are on site assessing the situation. We aim to restore our normal timetable by 1500 hours. We are in the process of sourcing regular replacement buses to get you moving again, and your tickets will be valid on West Midlands train services. For more information, speak to staff. Visit West Midlands Railway. Follow us on the news. If you need assistance or have passenger assistance booked, please make your way to the ticket barrier or ticket